Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can do a nationality challenge on Instagram. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. In order to do nationality challenge on Instagram, you need to download a third-party application. So for that, open up your Play Store application, and then on the search box you need to type in Faceplay. Once you do this, you need to install this application. Since I've already installed the applications, from here you'll need to select which photo you want. For example, I'm gonna go with this one, and in order to use it, just click on click to use, which is right at the bottom. In order to continue, you'll need to have a premium account. If you don't have a premium account, then you need to click on subscribe now, enter in your credit card details, and then see you have successfully created a premium account. Once you've done that, you need to select what kind of photos or channels that you want. After that, you need to go on adding on your photos. All you need to do is export the video and you can upload it on your Instagram. So that is how you can do a nationality challenge on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.